How many of us have been stuck on a pod point charger where the cable won't release from the unit? Releases from the car, doesn't release from the unit. This is what I've done. I've cut the grooves away there. It should be sort of like that, and I've filed the little bridge out the end of it, so if the charger, the little pod point charger, ever locks me on again, I can just pull it out and leave. This probably isn't legal, it's probably not safe, but I'm at wit's end. I've been stuck on them a couple of times now, so you do this at your own risk. I'm not an electrician. If it's any use to you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on running electric vehicles.